Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. Having multiple batteries for your drone is a must-have for enterprise pilots to make efficient use of their time in the field. And in this video, we're going to discuss the benefits of utilizing a charging station or charging hub, as it's sometimes referred to further optimize this workflow. Here, I have two different battery charging stations or hubs. This one is for the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series, and this one is for the DJI Matrice 30 series. If you're not utilizing these tools, charging the batteries in your fleet becomes quite the process, or in the case of the M30 series, not possible at all. Now, the whole name of the game here is efficiency. If not using a charging hub for the Mavic 3 Enterprise series, you're going to need to plug a USB-C cable into the drone in order to charge the battery. Now, since pilots like us want to do the job as efficiently as possible, utilizing a charging hub, we can put up to 3 batteries into this one and they will charge in sequence. Utilizing a charging hub for the Mavic 3 Enterprise series allows us to fly our mission and charge batteries at the same time, ultimately increasing efficiency out in the field. It also allows the batteries to come down to an optimal operating temperature before using them in the drone, making sure that our investment in batteries lasts as long as possible and ensures maximum flight time. Now, over here, I have a charging station or hub for a DJI Matrice M30 series, and this drone requires a charging station in order to charge the batteries in general. So DJI is automatically increasing your efficiency, adding the charging station as a must-have to operate this drone series. Charging stations or hubs are an important part of efficiently operating a drone program. Now, there is a charging station or hub for most drones out there, so if you have any questions about how your platform could benefit from a charging station or hub, go ahead and put those questions in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you can see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.